adventure with MiniSmart's. What are we gonna do today? Did you hear that? I'm hungry. Aha! I got an idea. Let's make pizza! Hi friends, are you ready to make a pizza with me? First, we need the pizza crust. 1 pizza crust. Now, 2 spoons of tomato sauce. Now, 3 tomato slices. Now, 4 onion rings. Now, 5 mushrooms. Now, 6 spinach pieces. Now, 7 pieces of meat. Now, 8 peppers. Now, 9 pieces of cheese. Now, 10 olives. Olives are my favorite. Look, friends, our pizza is done. Well, it's almost done. We just have to cook it. Ooh, almost done. Now the pizza is done. It smells so good. This pizza is delicious. Thanks for making pizza with me. Next time, we're gonna count in French. Are you ready to count French in our next video? Thanks, friends. We'll see you soon.